Hello, welcome to the Chemistry Made Sense series. Last time we talked about conversion factor. Conversion factor is a connection between the old unit and the new unit. Today we're going to move forward to the calculations in the dimensional analysis. And here the setup. Original value multiplied by conversion factor will end up with the new value. In this process, our goal is to cancel the old unit and keep the new unit. So dimensional analysis is also known as unit cancellation method. Now let's take a look at one example. Suppose we want to convert 2.25 inches to centimeters. And here the 2.25 inches is the original value. Inch is old unit, centimeter the new unit. As we know, 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters. Then, based on this relationship, we can have two conversion factors. The first one is 2.54 centimeters over 1 inch. The second one is 1 inch over 2.54 centimeters. Now the question is, which one we're going to choose in this calculation? Now, let's try them one by one. If we choose the first one, we're going to multiply 2.25 inches by 2.54 centimeters over 1 inch. In this case, we can cross out inch to end up with centimeters. Finally, we multiply 2.25 by 2.54 centimeters to give us 5.72 centimeters. On the other hand, if we choose the second one, we're going to multiply 2.25 inches by 1 inch over 2.54 centimeters. In this case, we cannot cancel out inch properly. Instead, we end up with inch squared over centimeter. So this is not a valid unit for length. Based on this example, we can summarize the strategy for choosing the correct conversion factor. It turns out the old unit and the conversion factor must be positioned opposite to its location in the original value. More specifically, if the old unit in the original value is the numerator, then we have to choose the conversion factor with old unit as the denominator. So they can cancel out. On the other hand, if the old unit in the original value is the denominator, then we have to choose the conversion factor where the old unit will be the numerator. So they can cancel out. Finally, There is also a useful tip for beginners. If the original value is not a fraction, you can place the value over 1 because any value divided by 1 remains unchanged. This can help you identify the position of the odd unit more easily. For example, we can write 2.25 inches as 2.25 inches over 1. In this case, you can clearly see the odd unit, inch, in the original value is a numerator. So we have to choose the conversion factor with inch as the denominator. So they can cancel out. Therefore, the first conversion factor, 2.54 centimeters over 1 inch, will be the correct conversion factor. Thank you for watching. And next time, we're going to do some more practice.